Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Here are some of his trumpets. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button. Hooray! You worked it out! Malik loves trumpets. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You got it! Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Tap the arrow button to try the next level. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. Wow, look at all these decorations. Malik's going to love them. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Jinjin. Here are some of his favorite things. Guitars. Let's use You don't need to use all the shapes. We made it! Jinjin loves guitars. Oops, there's a Great problem solving! Fill one hole at a time. Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. These tap. You filled all the holes. Jinjin loves all these special decorations. Who should we decorate for next? My sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Piñatas. Oh yeah, you solved the problem! Zadie loves piñatas. Break down the... Let's go back and try to fuse the shape. We made it! Snout thinks there are lots of different... You filled all the holes. Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. The neighborhood looks so nice, and Zadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, streamers. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Streamers. Oh yeah, you solved the problem! Ellie loves streamers. This hole is our... Hooray! You worked it out! Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. neighborhood look extra special. And everyone's so happy. Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way.